This is the chocolate solution to your vanilla problems. I had to take a break from making the Resident Evil 8 videos that I have been enjoying doing. Oh my goodness. But I figured while I'm all, looking beautiful and stuff right now, I figured I'd bring you a change of pace and my first cooking video. And I will be making a pulled chicken in my own barbecue sauce. So let's get into the video. So we start this off going from left to right with jalapeno, onion, garlic, zucchini, and fresh dill. We got it all chopped right there. The reason for me selecting these ingredients is the dill is for slight pickle taste that I want to it. Of course, there's going to be a little on the sour. Down south, we call it funky. We call it funky down south. But it's going to be for that sour taste. And sometimes if you do pickle a zucchini or a cucumber, you can get that sour taste. You totally know what I'm talking about. And I'm adding my red wine right here to give it, to strengthen. It's mainly to strengthen the dill. And we're just gonna continue stirring, getting everything acquainted. I call this the acquaintance process. Prom's coming up. This is the process where everybody's standing on the wall and everybody's waiting to see who's going to dance with them. And we're adding our butter. The butter is to start the caramelization process of my onion that I have. And best believe these ingredients are going hand in hand right now. Now, making sure that I stir, going from the inside out and the outside back in, making sure that butter touches every veggie in there. I'm squeezing in the lemon to add a tart dimension to what I already have going on. We have the garlic. Between the garlic, the red wine, and the dill, we have a lot of sour going on. And that's exactly what I was going for, because the kind of barbecue sauce that I wanted to kind of emulate, there's a good mix of tart and sour in it, twangy, if you will. And I add a dark beer right here. Give it a sniff. Yeah, chocolate's giving a sniff, and it could get a little sour at this point, But we're gonna keep on rocking. All of this stuff has, gotten acquainted. We have a lot of sour going on, but, it's just one of those times you gotta trust the process. It's my first time making barbecue sauce. So we're gonna add in our Worcestershire, and follow that up with steak sauce. Now the steak sauce is for two things: the complexion and to add to the twanginess, because steak sauce, it can be so good, and at the same time it can be, certain steak sauces can be a little out there, and the out there is what we like about certain steak sauces. So that's what I was looking for. Now here, I added tomato paste. So we're sitting somewhere between spaghetti sauce and barbecue sauce right now. So what I could have done instead of add a barbecue sauce to this, and all I did was add water into that barbecue sauce in order to get the rest out and to dull down the taste of the barbecue sauce that I bought, which is a store-bought barbecue sauce. Doesn't have to be fancy. It can be whatever. You can sub it out for whatever other barbecue sauce you want to use. If you want a smoky taste, you can go for a smoky barbecue sauce. But in my case, I accidentally grabbed like 2 bottles of like this sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. And I'm going to be countering that with pepper. And this right here should be white pepper. We really want to counter that sweet, tangy store-bought barbecue sauce that we had picked up in the store earlier. And right now, you can see as I make a little mess here, you can see that the barbecue sauce is really starting to take form. It's looking like really good homemade barbecue sauce right now as I add my turmeric in to dance with the pepper. And I'm reintroducing the sweet side with honey. So I guess you can call it a honey barbecue sauce that's tangy and sour. And we're gonna move on to our chicken right here. Now I think I have let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I have 6 chicken breasts, and I chop them up into huge squares. And we're gonna get those going in my wok, my small wok. Need a bigger one. And you can see that the chicken is already cooking before I even add anything else to it. And I introduced mayo to it. Now the mayo is very good if you want to keep your breast meat white, but it's also good if you want to keep it soft and moist once you go to shred it. And, this is the time where you can read a book or start making this video. It's kind of like your blah time. Talk to your spouse if you have one. But I think at this point I realized that I could have done this in the pressure cooker while I was making the sauce. So yeah. All right, we have some white chicken meat right here. Oh my goodness, it is moist. As you can see, the texture right there is beautiful. And we add our sauce with, oh man. Come on now. You cannot tell me that does not look good. You can't, there's no way you can watch this video and tell me that it doesn't look good. I paired it with slaw. I was ready to eat, so I didn't make my coleslaw quite yet. But, it's good. For I think $3.78 is good. Round it up to $3.89 out the refrigerator.